Okay, let us start with our session number 21. Guys, lapit na lang gid. 21, 22, and 23. Lapit na lang gid, guys, okay? Lapit na lang gid, maubusan. Pasensya. Lapit na lang, guys. Matapos na gid. 23 and exam nyo na. And let them. And CHN, yay. Anyway, sadya ang CHN. So, dapat subong aware or I mean kasaw na kamo sang assessment yani health assessment kay magamit nyo gid si assessment mag CHN kamo, trust me sa jacket. Okay, sige, assessing young and school age child, gina tapos na kita sa infant, subong sa young and school age child. Okay, development early childhood 1 to 4 years, 1 to 4 years old, toddlers guys. Okay, physical development. Sorry kung doon nasip-on ko permi kung magwakal-wakal subong. Okay, after infancy, the rate of physical growth slows by approximately half. After 2 years, toddlers gain about 2 to 3 kilograms mm, and grow 5 centimeters per year na. Okay, physical changes are impressive. Chubby na sila. Clumsy toddlers transform into leaner, more muscular preschoolers. Gross motor skills also develop quickly. Most children walk by 15 months, run well by 2 years, kadlagan na sila 2 years old, yung mga sabad na bala, and pedal a tricycle and jump by 4 years old na. Fine motor skills develop through neurologic maturation and environmental manipulation. The 18-month-old who scribbles becomes a 2-year-old who draws lines, amani, and the 4-year-old who makes circles. Guys, ang mga ginbasa ni bag-o lang guys, ara na siya sa Denver 2. Okay, nga developmental guidelines ara na da siya. Denver 2. Diba agyan ta na sang last or like agina Denver 2 no. Sa amo ning mga normal. Next is sige, diretso ta sa dalom Japon. Karon lang si middle childhood or elementary. Okay, cognitive and language development. Toddlers move from sensory motor learning through touching and looking to symbolic thinking, solving simple problems, remembering songs, and engaging in imitative play. So, language develops with extraordinary speed. An 18-month-old, no? 1 year and a half, with 10 to 20 words becomes a 2-year-old with 3 word sentences na. And then, a 3-year-old who converses well. So, mga 3 years old na mga toddler, pwede na sila kastorya dayon. And by 4 years, preschoolers form complex sentences. They remain pre-operational, however, without sustained logical thought process. Okay, sa social and emotional development, yeah guys, new intellectual pursuits and are surpassed only by an emerging drive for independence because toddlers are impulsive, temper tantrums are common. Ay, ambot lang gid mga tantrums ni Kapoy na guys. Amo na guro nga subong ko yagi inarte no kay wala ko kagi tantrums ang gamay ko. Charet. Pero to guys, amo lang na daw na-appreciate sa parents ko daw sa akon. Kay wala ko daw ga tantrums ang gamay ko. I don't know sa mga kabataan subong mga milig sila yung mag-tantrums, hindi sila madala sa storya. Amo na guro no. Anyway, ang obra lang na sa mga toddler guys is amo na amba ko they are emerging drive have an emerging drive for independence kasi syempre daw feel nila kaya nila mag-isa because toddlers are impulsive. Amo na. So temper tantrums are common. Amo na nga daw kung hindi mahatag ang nila gusto, nahibian nila sa public na kapoy na slope doon niya hay ambot ng mga toddler. Anyway, sino din may mga toddler nga manghud how no o pakaisa nga ginapabantay kamo sa magulang niyo. Di ba kapoy sila, hindi sila madadala sa storya. Okay, sige, middle childhood, 5 to 10 years old, gina 1 to 4 years, subong 5 to 10 years old. Okay, children grow steadily but more slowly. Nevertheless, strength and coordination improve dramatically with more participation activities. Sila na ni guys ang mamat-amat sulod sa eskwelahan, 5 to 10 years, ara na, kay ga-participate na sila sa activities. This is also when children with physical disabilities or chronic illnesses become more aware of their limitations. So may mga sakit or mga problema, aware na sila kung diin lang sila limitations. Okay, cognitive and language development. Children become concrete, operational, capable of limited logic and more complex Learning. Okay. Guys, kung familiar ka mo ni sa concrete operational kay sino ini? Kay sino ni nga theory kay Jean Piaget. Remember na ara na sa ano sa nursing theories sa TFN si Jean Piaget. Okay? Si Jean Piaget, okay, meron siya sang apat ka development theory. Okay, agyan naton si sensory motor, si pre-operational, si concrete operational, and formal operational. Okay? Si concrete operational, bungod sa concrete operational pa lang siya, concrete operational na siya. Really, during this stage, a child's thought process become more mature and adult-like. They start solving problems in a more logical fashion. Abstract, hypothetical thinking is not yet developed in the child, and children can only solve problems that apply to concrete events or objects. So, mga normal problems pa lang guys ang ilang mga kaya i-solve, mga concrete operational stage pa lang na. Okay, hindi pa na sila ka-solve ang mga critical thinking, just like you subong. Kay bangod nga bata pa 1+1, 2+2 mo pa lang na simple problems pa lang. Are we clear? 'Di ba? Wala may kasabat, boring. Okay, they remain rooted in the present with little ability to understand consequences or abstractions. School, family, and environment greatly influence learning. A major developmental task is self-efficacy or the ability to thrive in different situations. Language becomes increasingly complex. Amo na nga, ang ba, school, family, and environment during a stage, guys, 5 to 10 years old, very vital na siya sa bata kay dira na siya naga amat-amat learn dira na gina-absorb ang mga energy or vibe sa balay sa school. So dapat bantayan niyo gid ang mga kids niya sa mga banang edad. Children become progressively more independent, initiating activities and enjoying accomplishments. Achievements are critical for self-esteem and developing a fit within major social structures. Ginamatan na gina, family, school, peer activity, and groups. Guys, diri ni sila baldatang gina sa babaw, diri ni sila nagka-involve, nagka-participate sila sa activities. So, diri nila gina-enjoy ang accomplishments. Okay? So, importante ang achievements gina-enjoy, gina-recognize gid no kung parent ka or guardian ka so dapat i-recognize mo gid ang achievements ng bata niyo. So guilt and poor self-esteem also may emerge. Family environment contribute enormously to the child's self-image. Moral development remains simple and concrete with a clear sense of right and wrong. So amo ni siya guys, dako siya nga bais gani no kay sa US or sa sagwa ginasugtan ang mga LGBT maging teacher na bla tapos ginapilit or gina-confuse nilang bata nga hindi akong feel mo yang nga babae ka although lalaki ka dapat igom gid. So guys, importante na kung ako ha, kung sa akon lang, importante niya nga sa amo ni nga edad dapat balance ang bata ang right and wrong gid. Kay amo ni gani diri ni sila nagalibot. Ay alam, bal ni teacher, sala na ko no. Bal ni mama, tsakto niya, something mo na. So, importante nga dapat balaan naton kung ano ang ginatudlo sa bata kay dalo na nila magdako sila, especially sa dirigid nga stage. Alright, an important and unique aspect of examining children is that parents are usually watching and taking part in the interaction. So, importante gid nga dapat ang parents ara gid sa bata upod ya watching and taking part in the interaction, of course, providing you the opportunity to observe the parent-child interaction. So, dira mo makita kung gaano ka-close si baby kag si ah, ang bata kag ang parents. So, note whether the child displays age-appropriate behavior. So, assess the goodness of fit between parents and child. Careful observation of the child's interactions with parents and child's unstructured play in the examination can reveal abnormalities in physical, cognitive, and social development. So, normal toddlers are occasionally terrified or angry at the examiner. Often, they are completely uncooperative kasi syempre bata na sila and wala na sila nakakita kung ano ka-importante ang assessment. So, mas eventually, they warm up to you, ang mga bata. So, amo na nga usually yung mga toddlers or mga bata, depende sa imo kung paano, depende sa mga bata kung paano sila approach, kag depende man sa approach sang examiner, sang nurses, kung makita nila nga do hindi man approachable si nurse or si doc, of course, hindi sila mag-cooperate. So if this behavior continues or is not developmentally appropriate, there may be an underlying behavioral or developmental abnormality. Older school-age children have more self-control and prior experience with nurses and are generally cooperative with the examination. So, syempre, ang mga school-age, may idea na sila ya kung ano ang purpose ni nurse, kung ara siya, kag kung balaan man nila, paano mag-cooperate eh. Unlike sa mga toddlers, yung mga bata, sabat na sila. I've noticed the good they play. Okay, physical examination, somatic growth, height, weight, and circumference. Gina sa infant, wala si mass index for age. So, wala. So, buong ari na di si BMI for age. So, depende sa bata. May mga bata nga school age, guys. School age nga children. Pero ang weight nila, guys, do pang ah, adult na. So, amo na. Check man ang BMI, ang weight and height difference. Vital signs, TPRBP lang. Sa eyes, okay, two most important components of the eye examination for children, whether the gaze is conjugate or symmetric to the test visual acuity in each eye. Ang gaze, mga meta, gaze, conjugate gaze. Anong gaze? Mga agi, amo na, hindi. Ang gaze, guys, mga, ano um, ang pagtulok, bala, tama na. Conjugate meaning, kung magamata, conjugal, di ba ang conjugal property, conjugate, conjugal, di ba, mag-asawa, partner sila. So, property or property, conjugate property is property sang magpartner. So kung sa diriya sa conjugate gaze, guys, ang position sang mata. So for example, matulok sa left, matulok ka sa left, ang left eye lang ang nagatulok sa left, ang right nagalibot siya. So kung mag-conjugate gaze, guys, dapat duha man sila gatulok sa left eh. So partner sila. Okay? Kung di magtulok ang mata, dira gyud dapat. So the eyes for adults to assess conjugate gaze or the position and alignment of the eyes and the function of the extraocular muscles. Ginhamba ko na the position and alignment of the eyes and function of the extraocular muscles. Pangita ocular, oculomotor sa mata. The corneal light reflex or Hirschenberg test na siya. Screening test for strabismus. Anong strabismus, guys? Ginpanami lang na siya nga term sa ang libat. Okay? Strabismus. Check ang tupad kung may strabismus. That evaluates eye alignment based on the location of reflections of light shine at the eye. So, corneal light reflex. And the cover-uncover tests are particularly useful in young children. So, cover, kag uncover test, tabon ng mata, tapos uncover. So, amo lang na siya. Visual acuity, so visual acuity, ang sa gaze niya guys, the way siya magtulok and positioning sa mata. Sa visual acuity guys, vision naman na saya. It may not be possible to measure the visual acuity of children younger than 3 years who cannot identify pictures on an eye chart. For these children, the simplest examination is to assess for fixation preference by alternately covering one eye. The child with normal vision will not object, but a child with poor vision in one eye will object to having the good eye covered. Sa mo nang ginamba ko kung normal lang na nga vision sang bata, hindi na siya mag-object sa test nga ni. Pero kung balaan niya nga duha lang siya, ma-object na siya guys, hindi na pagtabunan. So may problem gina. So visual fields, and the one eye should be tested at a time with the other eye covered. Hold the child's head midline while bringing on an object such as a toy into the field of vision from behind the child. Okay. So, ubraon, di ba tabunan ng mata na tapos ibutang lang diyo. Tapos kung masunod sila sa toy, guys, meaning ang field of vision nila is normal. Kasi syempre mapalibot mo ang bagay, ginasunod